off having a great breakfast to start our day. I got eggs, bacon, and a muffin.
And I got an omelet. And someone put bacon on my plate because I did not get that. And this is our deal.
We start that way. All right, dance guys, you guys ready? All right, let's do it.
Taco bowl. Guy's burger is one of the most popular flavors. Yummy.
Wow, who's never seen snow before? Raise your hand.
There you go, buddy.
Great job!
I see that is going to be my next purchase. Pretty awesome. Everybody running for cover. You knew it was going to happen sooner or later. Here comes the rain. She just ain't right. She just ain't right. Something ain't right. You're laying out there in the rain. As it gets a little later in the afternoon, not many people out. Where are we?
Sorry. The dining room.
Jenny didn't have nothing to drink.
All day.
She's a goofball. All right, so anyway, we're at dinner. Sorry about the lighting. It's really bright behind us.
But our waiter is Stevens.
Yeah.
And we really liked him.
Yep. So we're gonna eat dinner,
But
and we'll
later
bring
we're
that to
going to
you.
go see Alex and Mary Joyce because we love them too.
Because Alex is leaving,
This is last night.
and he's leaving poor Mary Joyce here by herself.
We're going to give him a donut. Don't tell
We're gonna bring
her.
him a donut.
Don't tell her. We'll let you know how dinner is, then we'll go down there.
Big secret.
Yeah. So.
All right. So we'll bring you dinner.
Bye.
Mary's first appetizer, the marinated chicken strips. They're yummy. And I got shrimp cocktail. Got babe.
Cheese and steak soup.
And your second appetizer, cheese and steak soup. I got the dill lemon soup. I got a Caesar salad for my third appetizer. Terry got nothing. Got babe.
Enchiladas.
Enchiladas.
And then I got whatever this is.
Those are the beef short ribs. And I got the pork loin. And we got the panini.
Ooh, that tastes horrible.
Thank you. And finally the menu and all the good food in this entire cruise, right from breakfast to brunch, to the lunch, dinners and late night meals. Carnival Paradise Exhibition.
Your bags are packed, you're ready to go. We're standing here in front of you. We're here to see you go and say goodbye. Goodbye. We have done our best to serve it as cruise. We have dance for you and make you smile.
Got the carrot
Carrot
cake.
cake. See the little carrot?
Oh, that's a dead giveaway. And I got the banana split again.
So again, I'm gonna get that momentum going. One more time. I think I see him. All the guests are getting ready. They're almost ready. Our team members ready. This time they want you on your feet. Let's go. On your feet. Let's go. On your feet. Pump it up. Pump it up. Come on now. Hey. There you go. There you go. Next up, I see from across the pond. Let's give it up for the United Kingdom! That's right, Billy representing our friends over there. Next up, we're not let loud and proud. Make some noise for Croatia! Following up, we got our next team member representing Kenya! I'm fine with my little eye waving on down. Let's make some noise for China! Here they come, here they come. Making our way on down. Our next team member representing Peru! Alright, we got next leg coming on down. Let's give it up for Belarus! Our next team representing way on up. Give it up for India! Followed by this next tropical country, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Let's hear it loud and proud. Make some noise for Bosnia! I need to hear you loud and proud. Give it up for Canada! Next up, making your way on down. Our next team member representing Nicaragua!
said, yes. Let's go
I
get it.
bet I can
Let's
get
see
it.
what it is. I want to see
All
what
right.
it is. Let's go.
Maybe it's different. Never know.
You never know.
right.
Let's go.
All right. Just what we thought.
Got our free gift. Fanny pack. Yeah. Fanny pack. Fanny pack. We got a free. Put the diamond in.
But we're going to sell them for $20 each.
No, I'm going to get mine to the casino host. Let's go. Let's go.
Babe, what time is it?
It's chocolate martini time. We're making our Depot to fill this thing up.
Babe, why do we like chocolate martinis?
Then we're going to go to the coffee shop.
Now you see Jim Break.
And we're going to go
Hopefully make it. All right, see you a little bit. All right, babe, where are we going?
We're not going. We're already here at the comedy
I knew you were
show.
gonna say that.
18 years and older because this is rated XXX. Not right now.
What is wrong with her?
It's what's it rated for?
R.
Oh no, they said XXX. All right,
You're weird.
So this is adult only comedy
All right, we gotta
show.
go.
Okay, it is.
Comedy show.
It is. I saw it on the sign.
All right, cheers. 31 years.
31 years, baby.
31
31 years,
wonderful
baby.
years.
Wonderful, happy years. Yes.
See ya.
Cheers.
All right, good evening. It's almost that time.
Bed, as in bedtime.
Bedtime. But it's 10:30, so. But she's got to go to work in the morning, so.
Yeah, I gotta work. We just came from the comedy show. He was pretty funny. And now we're doing our closing video. We might walk around the ship before we go to bed outside because I like to see it. It's pretty. And now we're
And we can't have hot chocolate because we haven't been able to have hot chocolate all week because
Closed.
they've been broke all week.
closed. Out of order.
Closed. Out of order.
Done.
Says they're cleaning them
No.
all week. But anyway, so what's the next best thing?
And next, I say the hot chocolate. Ice cream. But I didn't get no cookies. I'm on a diet.
And she was gonna get some pizza, but the
I'm on a diet.
line is like
Really long.
I'm looking at it now, but it's like
And,
halfway back.
and so is the deli line. So I'm on a diet. I better stay on my diet.
A lot of kitties on this cruise
Lots of kids, lots of food, and I stayed on my diet.
and a lot of noise. All right. So anyway, next up, Independence of the Seas next month. So
And
we'll see you there.
it's our anniversary weekend. We had a great weekend.
We did. We
I
had a
love
great
my
time.
lovies.
All right.
Cute.
All right. So we'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Night night.
Bye.
Night night.